Feeling overwhelmed by your Shopify admin? In this video, I'll give you a guided tour of your dashboard, breaking down exactly where to find everything and how to navigate like a pro. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your admin dashboard is the command center for your entire business. Once you understand its layout, managing your store becomes fast and efficient. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the main navigation menu on the left side. This is your control panel. From top to bottom, you have key sections like Home, Orders, Products, Customers, and Analytics. These are the tabs you'll use daily to run your business. The central part of your screen is your Home dashboard. Think of this as your at-a-glance business report. Here, you'll see cards showing your total sales, online store visitors, and your recent activity. It's perfect for quickly checking your store's health. Now, let's highlight two crucial areas. The Orders section is where you'll process every sale, manage fulfillments, and handle returns. The Products section is your inventory hub, where you add new items, manage variants, and organize collections. On the bottom left, you'll find Settings. This is the nerve center for everything from payments and shipping to your legal pages. I recommend exploring each setting carefully as you build your store, but don't feel you need to set up everything at once. A crucial pro tip: you can customize your home dashboard. Click Customize to add, remove, or rearrange the cards. Tailor it to show the metrics you care about most, whether it's live view, sales by channel, or a specific performance chart. And just like that, you've mastered your command center. Navigating with confidence is the first step to efficient store management. If this tour saved you time and confusion, please give it a like. What's your favorite section of the dashboard so far? Let me know in the comments. To prepare for your launch, subscribe for our next video on how to disable the Shopify password page. Thanks for watching.